Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare silica versus silicates. Silica, or silicon dioxide, is a fundamental compound found abundantly in nature, like in quartz. Silicates, on the other hand, are a broader class of compounds that incorporate silicon and oxygen, often with additional metallic elements. Understanding their distinct compositions is key to appreciating their varied roles in materials science and geology. Silica possesses several remarkable properties. It is known for its exceptional hardness, ranking 7 on the Mohs scale, making it resistant to scratching and wear, which is why it's used in abrasives. Its high melting point, approximately 700 degrees Celsius, allows it to withstand extreme temperatures, crucial for glassmaking. Furthermore, silica is chemically stable, generally unreactive with most acids, though hydrofluoric acid is a notable exception. Silicates, in contrast, often feature more intricate structures, incorporating various metal ions alongside silicon and oxygen. This structural complexity can lead to different properties, including increased reactivity compared to pure silica. For instance, many silicates react faster in certain applications, such as concrete densifiers. Common examples include sodium, potassium, and lithium silicates, each with distinct industrial uses. Both silica and silicates are indispensable in countless industries. Silica is fundamental for producing glass, ceramics, and advanced optical fibers due to its clarity and thermal stability. Silicates find extensive use in construction materials like cement, as well as in detergents and fireproofing agents, leveraging their binding and reactive properties. Each plays a unique, critical role in our world. For more insights into managing your finances, check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.